In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a resume on Google Docs. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser, then go ahead and look up Smashing Docs Resume. Now this is a free resource out there that will give you a bunch of resume templates that you can go ahead and use. So please make sure to select on this link over here, the official smashingdocs.com website. There's a bunch of other websites over here, but typically they require you to pay for a resume template, which in my opinion is absolutely outrageous. Never pay for a resume template. But anyways, what you want to do is you want to go to the official smashingdocs.com website. I would also like to reiterate that this video is not sponsored or anything like that. It's just that I think that this is a really good resource. All right, so once you're here in this website, go to the top menu and select over here where it says templates. Then you want to go to this section that says personal, and then you will scroll down and you will see this option that says resumes. So please go ahead and click on that. You're then going to get a wide selection of different resumes that you guys can go ahead and look at. So find whichever template does suit your job best. And then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and just click on it. Then scroll down and press on this button that says use template. Then it is going to begin installing in a few seconds. So please be patient because it is going to be worth it. Then make sure to go ahead and press on make copy. And then afterwards, it is going to go ahead and open up Google Docs. And yep, here it is. And then from here, you're able to go ahead and change the information and really just make your own. This is a really great resource and you're easily able to create your resume. So once you made all the necessary changes, you personalize it for yourself and your profession, go to the top menu, select on file, press on download, and then you can download it as a PDF file or a docs file. So this is 100% up to you. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.